Are you looking for the best foldable phones? In this video, we will look at some of the 5 best smartphone on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G. Samsung is one of the leading brands selling foldable phones, and one of their best offers is their Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G. It features a 7.6-inch Infinity Flex display that is large enough to have different windows on the screen, making multitasking easier. The screen has a 120 Hz refresh rate, perfect for playing games, editing, or watching action-packed videos. You might think that the phone will have some setbacks because it's foldable, but it still features a water-resistant design like most smartphones. The phone features 5G connectivity, 12GB RAM, and you have a 256GB or 512GB storage options to choose from. The Fold 3 will also help you step up your social media game because of its 12MP wide camera, 12MP telephoto camera, 12MP ultra-wide camera, and 10MP selfie camera. You might notice that the smartphone has no notch in the front, and it's because the front camera is hidden under the display for maximum usage of the phone screen. Its battery's capacity is 4,400 mAh, and it comes with a 25W super fast charger. Customers will receive a free data cable, STD battery, and travel adapter upon purchase. Number 2. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 3 5G will make you feel like you have a classic flip phone, but with all the modern features most smartphones have. Its compact design makes it an excellent choice for people who need a phone that can fit in their pockets. It features 5G connectivity, so you'll get even better data reception while you're on the go. Its Infinity Flex display measures 6.7 inches, and it comes with a 1.9-inch dynamic AMOLED display. The phone has a premium and water-resistant design, so it's safe even if you bring it by the beach, swimming pool, or on a road trip. Its ultra-wide and wide cameras are 12MP, while its front camera is 10MP. Users can place the smartphone on flex mode, which is like having a mini laptop, and it will allow them to take photos, videos, and video calls hands-free, without any tripods or selfie sticks. The phone is available in 128GB or 256GB storage, and it comes with 8GB RAM. The Flip 3 has a 3,300 mAh battery, and charging it won't take too long since it comes with a 15W fast charger. The color choices available for this flip phone are cream, phantom black, lavender, and green. Number 3. Motorola Razr 5G. The Motorola Razr was a widely popular flip phone from the past, and the company has released a new line of smart flip phones in recent years. Their new Razr sells for a little over $900, and you get a smartphone that's 5G ready and will work with all major carriers in the United States. You can expect top-notch performance from the phone since it has 8GB RAM and a 256GB storage capacity. The phone's selling point is its pocketable design. It features a 6.2-inch OLED display, but when the phone is folded, you can use its 2.7-inch Quick View display to control music, reply to messages, view notifications, etc. The Razr has an incredible primary camera that's 48MP, and it has OIS and quad-pixel technology, which makes it perform better in low-light conditions. Users won't need to keep recharging their phones throughout the day because its powerful battery gives you 24 hours of usage per charge. When it's time to charge, you can charge it quickly with its free 18W turbo power charger. Upon purchase, the other freebies you'll get are a premium headset, USB Type-C cable, and a SIM removal toolkit. Number 4. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G. If you find the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 5G too expensive, you can purchase its predecessor, the Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G. You can find deals for less than $800, which is almost half the price of the Fold 3. The Fold 3 has a 2-in-1 design. You can treat it as a standard phone when you fold it because there's a screen on the front, but once you open the inside, you will get a 7.6-inch display that seems like your own tablet. The phone will let you do any task without delays because of its fast 5G connectivity. It also comes with 12GB RAM and 256GB of storage. The phone's primary camera is 12MP, while its front camera is 10 MP. The Fold 2's foldable design gives users an adaptive flex mode feature that allows them to take videos and photos hands-free. The phone is available in Mystic Black and Mystic Bronze. The freebies included with the phone are a data cable, travel adapter, and STD battery. Number 5. Microsoft Surface Duo 2 5G. The Microsoft Surface Duo 2 5G might be a foldable phone, but it isn't exactly like others on this list. The phone uses two separate displays that don't synchronize together when it's unfolded. This dual-screen phone is perfect for people who are fond of using two apps simultaneously. Its hinge can rotate 360 degrees, so you can set up the phone in different positions. It will also feel like a mini computer because you can drag and drop files, text, photos, etc. The Surface Duo 2 is fully customizable, so you can quickly group your apps. The phone can capture stunning images and videos thanks to its triple lens system. It has a 16 MP ultra-wide camera, a 12 MP telephoto camera, and a 12 MP wide camera, while its front camera is 12 MP. The selfie camera can take 1080p footage at 30 frames per second, while the rear camera can take up to 4K at 60 frames per second. The phone has a 4,449 mAh battery and will charge at an impressive speed because of its 23W fast charger. The Surface Duo 2 runs on Android 11, so you will get to purchase a wide range of apps from the Google Play Store.